Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have one more unboxing to do. It is actually from Sephora, something that I purchased online. So let's unbox together. It's pretty heavy and I think they have managed to squeeze quite a number of items inside. So let's see what I have got today. There's actually a sale going on at the moment. So unfortunately, I've already purchased this prior to the Black Friday sale, so I won't be able to enjoy these products at the Black Friday sale price. But I'm thinking probably I'll just buy more items for the Black Friday. So more of the brand that I like, which is not here today. So the first item we have here is actually the Sephora experience. We have got one facial treatment lotion, one essence, and one eye cream. Next up will be from the Augustinus collection. First one is the Augustinus serum, second one is the eye cream, third one the cream, and lastly the body cream. These I actually got it as I think some coupon that I got from Sephora to exchange for them, and I think it's pretty sufficient because it's at 8 ml, 7 ml, you know, kind of volume, and it will be sufficient to last for a few days. So excited to use them all. And by the way, I've purchased another, last week I've purchased four bottles of Augustinus products for the face. So I haven't tried those out yet, but I'm really excited. There's this sample from Sephora with the Beauty Sleep Serum. And yes, this is my main purchase. It is the treatment lotion from La Mer. Treatment lotion, I understand that this is a pretty good product. The treatment lotion is something like the SK2 treatment lotion. Manufacturing date is 2022. Very good. I just wonder if any of you had a problem with Sephora where they will deliver close to expiry of products to you. For example, the last round when I purchased the La Mer eye cream, it's supposed to be a cream, but when it arrived, it is purely water texture. So when you swivel the bottle from left to right, the content just flows like pure water. So I'm not sure if you had that problem. And other issues I had with Sephora online is that some of the products, they merely just smell off. They smell sour, they smell very different from the normal smell. That's the problem I got from Sephora online. Let me know in the comment section below if you had got a similar experience. I have faced that this kind of issue for at least 4 to 5 online purchases already. So sometimes you do have to be very careful on that. Okay, we've got 2 more samples from Sephora. Okay, this one is a trio pack from the skin. We've got a hydro gel, we've got the micro peel as well as the moisturizer. Good for traveling, small in size. Next one, another sample from Sephora, Dr. Dennis Gross. This is an overnight texture renewal peel. Great for my next trip, which is coming in 1 day's time. I'm going overseas again. So I'll be trying, I'll be bringing this to try, and probably with these as well. These I think will be sufficient for my trip. And last but not least, of this package, I have got this Fresh Gold Standard treatment. This one This is actually the Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence, Tea Elixir Resistance Serum, as well as the Black Tea Age Renewal Cream. Yep, so we do have a lot of wonderful products today. And yes, I can't wait to try them all. Here we go. And that's it, my unboxing from Sephora today. Hope you have a good time. If you like this video, click on the like button. Alternatively, click on subscribe button to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!